Let me show you how to fix the App Store if it's missing on your iPhone. If you can't find that App Store, there are two primary places that we'll look to definitely be able to find it and get it back. Now, the first thing we're going to do on your iPhone is just to swipe around to see if you find that App Store. If you don't see it, you can swipe all the way over to the app library. And from here, you're going to swipe down and you're going to look for App Store on this list. So you can see there is the App Store. I can tap on it to open it. However, keep in mind, it might be locked and you might need that Face ID to open it up. You also might see it at the very bottom in the hidden folder. If you tap on that, it might be in there. However, let's say it's not in either of those places. The next place to check is go to your settings app on your iPhone, and it could be hidden due to your screen time. So scroll down from here towards the bottom, tap on screen time, and from here, all we need to do is scroll down and go to content and privacy restrictions here. Now, if this is turned on, you might have the iTunes and App Store purchases set so that you cannot allow installing or deleting apps. Now, if I switch all of these to don't allow, you can't install apps, you can't delete apps, etc. If I hop out here and search for the App Store, you'll be able to see it doesn't pop up anywhere. So essentially, all you need to do on here is switch all of these to allow. Or you can even just go back out here and turn off content and privacy restrictions completely, and you'll be able to find the App Store.